Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. In the middle of a blizzard, something very strange happens. Polar bears seem to vanish entirely. They become ghosts haunting the frozen landscape, invisible to both prey and predator. But it's not magic, it's their fur is hollow and full of air, which makes them look like giant balls of snow. And because of the way their bodies are shaped, they can blend in almost perfectly to the whiteout condition. In this episode, we're going to analyze how polar bears use this ability to We'll use drone footage and infrared cameras to see how well camouflaged they really are. And we'll find out just how close some animals come to a ghost bear before they finally notice it. But even then, polar bears have to get close enough to strike, and that's not easy when there's a blizzard raging. When a polar bear moves through the snow, it kicks up small particles into the air, making it easier for the seal to spot it. But as the snow begins to fall harder, the bear's outline becomes less and less clear until it essentially disappears into the whiteout conditions. Even if a seal doesn't see the bear approaching, it can hear it. However, as the storm gets stronger, those sounds become muffled and hard to hear. And there are other predators that hunt polar bears, such as wolves and foxes. In this video, we'll see an Arctic fox that comes within feet of a polar bear. She doesn't seem to notice the bear at all. Her attention is focused on the lemming in her paws. She twitches her nose, ears, and whiskers as she looks around, but she doesn't see the ghostly bear behind her. So how does a polar bear become invisible in a blizzard? Well, it has to do with the way light refracts or bends through different mediums like air and snow. When light hits a polar bear's, some's absorbed by the hollow hair shafts and reflected back out, creating a bright, blurry outline around the bear. The snow also reflects and refracts the light, which scatters the image even more. All of this makes it difficult for anything to get a good look at the bear. But it also means that the bear can't see very well either. Their vision gets reduced to just a few feet in front of them, so they move slowly and carefully, taking small steps so they don't slip on the ice. But the strangest thing about polar bears and their snowshoes is that they only appear to be this way during the blizzard. Once the snow stops falling, their outlines become clear again and they stand out like a sore thumb against the white background. And that's why it's so important for polar bears to wait out a blizzard. Because once the sun comes out again, they can easily be spotted by both prey and predators. Now that you know how polar bears use light refraction to ghost through blizzards, you'll never look at a snowstorm the same way again. And thanks for watching.